In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync tasks to your Google Calendar in Todoist. Keeping your to-do list and your calendar in sync is one of the best ways to stay organized and avoid missing important deadlines. When Todoist is connected to Google Calendar, any task you create with a date and time can show up right on your calendar, and changes stay updated automatically. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process, and by the end, you'll have everything talking to each other smoothly. First, make sure you're logged into your Todoist account in your web browser. Once you're in your main Todoist workspace, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu with options related to your account. From this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings. This is where Todoist keeps all of your account preferences, including integrations like Google Calendar. Click on Settings to open the settings window. It should appear in the middle of your screen, usually with several tabs or sections along the side or across the top, such as Account, General, and Integrations. Once you're inside the settings, navigate to the area where integrations or connected apps are listed. Here, you'll find the option related to syncing tasks, including Google Calendar. What we're looking for is a control that lets you turn on task syncing. When you locate it, you'll see a toggle switch that can be turned on or off. Now, toggle on sync task. When you switch this on, Todoist may prompt you to connect your Google account if you haven't done so before. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign into your Google account and grant the necessary permissions. This simply allows Todoist to create and update events on your calendar based on your tasks. Once the toggle is turned on and connected, your Todoist tasks with dates and times will start appearing in your Google Calendar. You can test this by creating a new task in Todoist, adding a specific date and time, and then checking your calendar to confirm it shows up. That's all you need to do to sync tasks to your Google Calendar in Todoist. With this setup, your schedule and to-dos will stay aligned automatically, helping you manage your day with much more clarity and confidence.